The Chevrolet TRAX from 2013 to 2017 uses a simple switch system for its fog lights. To enable them, your headlights must be on. Locate the fog light button on the left side of the instrument panel, typically marked with a fog lamp icon. Press it once to turn the front fog lights on. Press it again to disable them. No rear fog lights are standard on these TRAX models. The fog light switch is situated on the dashboard to the left of the steering wheel, on the left side of the instrument panel. This image shows the interior controls where you can find the fog light button. Look for a small button with a fog lamp icon, typically labeled with a headlight symbol featuring a wavy line through it. The switch is always near the headlight controls for convenient operation. This close-up view shows the headlight control panel where the fog light switch is integrated. The symbol resembles a headlight with a wavy line indicating fog conditions. Its exact placement might vary slightly depending on the trim level, but it's consistently positioned for easy access. The fog lights operate on the TRAX's 12-volt electrical system, drawing approximately 55 watts each if equipped with halogen bulbs. They are wired through a relay and protected by a fuse, typically 10 to 15 atts, located in the underhood fuse box. The headlights must be activated for the fog lights to function, as they are designed as auxiliary lamps. Fog lights are designed for specific driving conditions to improve visibility without causing glare. Use fog lights in low visibility conditions like fog, heavy rain, or snow. They provide better illumination at ground level and are most effective at speeds under 50 miles per hour. In foggy conditions, fog lights create a wide, low beam that penetrates the fog better than regular headlights, as shown in these examples. During heavy rain or snow, the low positioning helps illuminate the road surface without reflecting back glare. Avoid using fog lights in clear weather. They can create glare for oncoming drivers and drain your battery unnecessarily. The system automatically disables fog lights when high beams are activated to prevent excessive brightness. If your fog lights aren't working, first check the fuse in the underhood fuse box. Next, inspect the bulbs for burnout. Halogen bulbs typically last 10,000 to 15,000 miles. A faulty fog light switch or relay could also be the issue. According to ChevyTraxForum.com, switch wear and electrical glitches are common in high-mileage vehicles. Many TRAX owners upgrade to LED fog lights for increased lifespan and visibility. LED conversion kits typically cost $50 to $200. These offer better energy efficiency and can last up to 50% longer than halogen bulbs. Ensure the LED bulbs are compatible with your TRAX's electrical system and properly installed. Fog lights are designed for safety, but proper use is essential. Always follow local laws regarding their operation to avoid legal issues. Overuse can cause glare, which actually reduces visibility for yourself and other drivers by reflecting light back. To prevent glare, use fog lights only when visibility is poor and turn them off when conditions improve. Regular inspection ensures they work correctly, particularly before winter driving when fog and snow are common. Check for proper alignment and brightness during routine maintenance. Your owner's manual provides specific guidance on operation and care to maintain safety and compliance. To extend the life of your fog lights, perform annual electrical checks, especially on high-mileage vehicles. If you encounter intermittent operation, check for corrosion on the switch and relay. Consider LED upgrades for longer bulb life. Remember that while 70% of owners report reliable fog lights, 20% cite issues with switch wear or electrical glitches, according to forums.